lunch is ready. Mwah, 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 mwah. Let me show you how I prepare this yummy food, okay? First of all, I wash my meat thoroughly. I love protein so much. Wash it inside the pot. After that, okay, I go in with a little garlic. After garlic, guys, I go in with 2 seasoning cube, okay? After my seasoning cube, I splash onions on it, and my pepper is there, and I cover it for some time to get cooked. My meat is ready. Look at the Irish potato, so beautiful. I've already done. I can see that. So let's the cooking begin.
I'm so tired of wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need some space to breathe, so give me some room. Oh my love, you're coming with